Creating a comprehensive apartment inspection punch list ensures thorough checks and documentation of issues for repair or maintenance. This systematic approach helps maintain quality standards and tenant satisfaction. Let's explore how to effectively implement this essential process. In the entryway and hallway, check door locks, handles, and flooring condition. Ensure lighting fixtures are functional and the entrance is clean. In the living room, examine walls, test electrical outlets, and check windows. Inspect HVAC vents for cleanliness. In the kitchen, test appliances, check for leaks, and verify garbage disposal operation. In bedrooms, look for pest signs and inspect closet functionality. Check windows and doors for drafts and secure mechanisms. Test electrical fixtures and verify circuit breakers. Ensure all systems are functioning safely. Inspect for damage around fixtures. Check water heater functionality. Verify HVAC filter cleanliness and fire extinguisher presence. Inspect doors for safety hazards. User roles control access to data. A dashboard provides an overview of inspections. A guided process with templates and photo capabilities enhances efficiency. Dynamic checklists allow customization of inspection items. Save progress and resume inspections if interrupted. A review page shows all inspected items. Editing capabilities ensure accuracy. This flexibility enhances the inspection process. Digital inspection tools like eAuditor revolutionize apartment inspections. They improve data accuracy and ensure timely maintenance. This approach enhances tenant satisfaction and streamlines property management.